dumplings. Let's do the darn thing. Okay, so we already established that our common denominator was what? It's going to be 30. So I'm going to come down here. Let me move my face. Get your face out of here, Miss Lee. Okay, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to make a note that what I want is 30 because I don't want to forget my common denominator. I'm going to have to use that. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make 4, 6 somehow equal to something over 30. Is this starting to look familiar? Yes, it's algebra. Yay, we can do algebra. So what will I multiply 6 by to get 30? I'm going to multiply by 5. And remember, whatever I multiply the denominator by, I have to also multiply the numerator by. So that gives us 20 over 30. All right, and now it's time to do the 1/5. So I will, maybe use this one. Okay, so I have 1/5, and I have to make it equal to something over 30. And what will that be? My little smart little dumplings. That's right, I'll be multiplying by 6, which means this will be 6. So this 4/6 is equal to this 20/30. This 1/5 is equal to this 6/30. So now I can actually subtract, and what will my answer be? The denominator doesn't change in adding and subtracting, so we know it'll be 30, and 20 minus 6 is 14. Well done, my friends. Let's try another one.